My name's Philip and my specialty in circus is globe.
My name's Molly and I do aerial hoop.
My name is Katie Jenkins and I do acro.
I do aerial hoop.
I specialise in acrobatics and contortion.
I usually do the silks.
I'm Molly and I specialise in juggling.
Circus generally means so much to me. It's a big part of my life now. I do this like most weeks. It kind of consumes me, so it's kind of just everything.
It's a very creative thing where I get to be myself and do things that I like to do.
It's like a fun and educational thing for like kids or adults so they can achieve their dreams.
For me, it's something that I can challenge myself with, and it shows me that if I put effort and practice in, I can achieve moves that I didn't think I could.
Circus is like fun, but it's also something to think about if you want to do it later on in your life.
It's quite special how it's a small community and how everyone's enjoying it.
In my opinion, the most surprising thing I've learned from the history of circus is that it's been around for 250 years.
Well, I thought that circus would be a little bit older, actually. And I also thought it was very interesting to learn not about circus, but about the performers.
It was surprising like how young some of the performers were and like how dangerous it was for some of them.
Until going to Glamorgan Archive, I didn't know that the amount of animals that they used to use, for example, polar bears and ostriches, like I had no clue about those.
Back then they used to do very insane tricks, even though you didn't think they were.
Was it fun?
Yes.
Was it scary?
Yes.
What was your favourite thing?
Letting go and flipping around at the end.
Did you get to feel the sensation of flying?
Yeah.
Would you like to do it again?
Yeah. All the time.
When I went to the big top, we met Luke, who's a juggler, and he showed us a new way to make a routine, which was different and fun. I think Luke's style of juggling was different and more of a dance to express his emotion.
So today, in watching the rehearsals for the adults, has been really interesting to see how everything's going along and all the technical sides, as I've never seen rigging before.
It was good. I thought it showed us how different it is creating a show than just practicing normally, and how much it takes to make the show and how long.
The costume change has been really interesting as well, because they have to do stuff in all different types of things, and the acting behind circus is quite hard, and you don't just have the technical ability, you have to be able to act, play the part.
I found it really interesting because we haven't done foot juggling before.
I found it really fun because we don't usually do these sorts of things, and it was just a nice change, and I really enjoyed the class.
Yeah, it was really cool because it's something different, because we usually just do normal juggling. We never really do foot juggling. So.
I much prefer foot juggling because I think that it's just more fun and it's easier.
It was a bit harder first, but once you get the hang of it, it's quite interesting how you can balance things with your feet.
I like normal juggling because I can do like more tricks and things, but I like foot juggling because it's like, it looks different and it's really cool.
In the future, I see circus as like there's gonna be like robots working, and like there's gonna be trapezes and everything like flying in the air.
Everyone's going to be wearing just white, and everyone's going to be moving like robots, and everyone's going to do things that are just crazy compared to now.
think it's going to get a lot bigger and they're going to use a lot more like dangerous things in it. So we're going to be like higher up and maybe hoops on fire, just like crazy stuff like that.
I see it being very technical, not as many people involved, more special effects in the backgrounds of circus.
I think the skills will just get better. So I think eventually someone will be able to juggle like 20 balls or something like that.
I think that in the future it's going to be even more centred around how we can enhance the performer, doing magnetic rigging so there aren't any ropes hanging from the ceiling, and just ways that we can get rid of all the mess around and just focus solely on the person, their training and their performance.